That's the thing. If you have to teach how to style something, that's probably something you're doing wrong. It should be just.
That's a fair point, really.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to our pod, Borderline Firangi. Now we have named it finally. I am Shivali.
And I'm Ashwita, where Shivali and I walk you through our life in London while comparing the chaos back home in India.
Yeah, but first we would beg you to watch this video till the end, like, share and subscribe, because if you do not want to see us sitting on the floor with this background, shooting here, and you would want us to look better, have a better mic, have a better studio, then please subscribe. It's free for you, but we need money, guys. So Ashwita, what is the topic for this week? What are we going to talk about?
So today we are discussing our fashion disaster and some of our success too, I would say.
I think
our
so.
Styling nightmares, I would say.
Yeah.
Do you have any trend in mind or anything that is coming in your mind?
One thing I have in mind is the trend which is going on since 2026 started is the comparison between your 2016 photos and 2026 photos.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I was hating it badly, but then what was your take on it? Like, because I have seen few people like enjoying the trend. So
Yeah,
what about
I
you?
have. Yeah, to be honest, I've been seeing this trend, and I'm surprised to see how people change their style. Like, especially the celebrities.
Yeah.
If I go back in 2016 and see myself, which probably we should. Like, should we just put our photos up here for people to see?
Putting myself into that misery, but then for the sake of viewership, I will put my photo. I think you are pretty comfortable putting your picture.
Not in that 2016 era.
Oh god. Do you have your pictures? Yeah, you were saying.
No, I think we should decode our style from 2016.
Yeah. And on that
was-
note, I have a game today. I have prepared a game
Right.
today.
Okay.
Where we are going to discuss 26, not exactly 2016, but then our previous trends and our current trends.
Okay.
So let's start.
Yeah.
Okay. So, alright. I will ask you a few questions. You just have to give your yay or nay. If you have any more insights, we can discuss. But
Yeah.
if it is one word, if you have a story to
Right. Okay. Let's play
tell,
this.
I'll do the same. Alright. Super low waist jeans.
Nah.
So, super low waist, when you say, what is the definition of low? Because everyone has a different this
Low.
thing for a low, what do you say? Scale of being low. So, what is that? It is like near your waist.
I think where you can see the butt crack easily. I think. And your love handle.
Oh god, no, oh god.
I don't think so that trend should ever come back. Ever.
Apparently, few people can't. I see few people on street. They love it,
Yeah.
especially guys.
Yeah, I mean. and you can see
God.
their
and the
underwear.
young guys, as in the post teenage sort of guys. Oh god.
I think it is still a trend in a lot of boys.
In their head.
But not
In
not
their
for
head,
me.
I think. No.
What about you?
Definitely no.
So it's a nah,
Definitely
common
nay.
nah.
Yeah. Winged eyeliners.
Nah, I don't think
Why?
so.
So I can't. It's not a black and white for me, honestly. Not
Okay.
a yeah or nay. I don't do it now, but then on few people it looks really nice.
That's why I think I can never get it right. I've never got it right.
Okay.
I think that's
it's a
the
personal
most
problem then.
maybe.
Did you ever?
Yes, I did it and I
Try.
failed terribly.
Yeah.
What about you? Did you?
I when started, I kind of like learned the technique. Now I have again forgotten. I sometimes, because I think if you ask me to put a winged eyeliner now, it will be like last time I put a winged eyeliner was probably 2020.
Okay.
And then if you'll ask me now, my hands will shake and I won't be able to get it right. But then I have seen few people here, few girls here, who do it so beautifully.
I think these days it's a very minimal eye makeup also what I've seen. I think we have moved from that heavy sort of eye makeup to a lighter,
I could never do
just mascara and curl. That's what I've observed here as well, which is a blessing for me because
Yeah. Yeah, मेरा life easier.
And then I'm trendy again because I don't put much.
So it's so convenient, you know. So when you're not following the trend, I do not fall for the trends. And
Exactly.
when the trend is according to you, so yeah, I'm just on the trend all
Yeah,
the time.
yeah. Oh, I'm so trendy. See, I do the minimum makeup. So.
So bad. Yeah.
But yeah.
Anyway, so this is a nay for you. You said.
Yeah, nay for me.
For
Yeah,
me it is a mixed
it's
one.
okay. Right.
I'll do it. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Half air to
Shall we put it down?
Oh God.
So you do this, and then you roll it, and then you push it forward, and then you put clips on it. Now, can you imagine?
I've done it too. Oh my God, that was an era, dude. Oh God. Oh
You know
God.
what? I remember one thing. So I have this lot of female friends, right? So we are 7 people. So we all used to go together most of the time. Everyone had that puff. And
Not
you know
surprised.
What? And you know what guys used to call us? Shivling aa gaye, doodh chadao, jal chadao.
Really?
One of my friend's boyfriend was a, अरे शिवलिंग शिवलिंग चलो दूध चढ़ाओ जल चढ़ाओ.
फिर भी कर रहे थे.
And then the other thing was
कौन से? सबके सब.
सबके सब puff बना के, and the other thing was a low ponytail. So it was like the puff here and then the low ponytail at this level, like.
Totally, dude. Totally.
And I'm like, okay, now I'm sure we have to put some photos out there. for
God,
people to-
I am so traumatized with the puff. So today my hair is a disaster because I tried something and it failed. So, but when I was trying to make waves, and then you have to partition your hair, right? So usually I do not partition like a puff, but I was on a hurry in the morning.
Okay.
So I did that and became like a puff. I instantly took the hair clutcher out and like fixed my hair again because I can't even look at myself with that puff thing.
Hair puff is a nah.
Definitely, man.
Big
Definitely
nah.
big nah. Animal prints.
I think nah.
Have you ever tried though?
I had one, I think, I had one skirt, like a mini
Wrap
skirt.
around
Yeah,
it?
wrap around the animal print skirt. I think that was, 4-5 years ago, it was quite trendy. So everyone was wearing animal print, and wherever shop you go, you could find that. So I genuinely bought it. But honestly, I wore it for 1 or 2 times.
That's the one thing I can proudly say. I've never got it.
Thank you.
I've never spent a single penny on any animal print.
Yeah,
As far
it's
as my memory permits, or maybe I did, and my brain intelligently like flushed that memory out of my brain, whatever. Yeah. But कितना भी trend में आ गया, I could never do that. I'm proud of myself that I never fell into that trap.
I did once, and
Is it coming back again?
I hope not, but yeah, but I think it's not with Gen Zs or millennial. I think maybe
Yeah,
the other
I mean,
generations.
yeah, there is an age group I have observed who, one day on the gym. Also in the gym, what happens? No, gym में किसी ने नहीं पहना.
Okay. I'm like,
No, but gym में ना morning में वो जो TV पे कुछ news में आता रहता है ना. It was not the news, but in the news as well, there are a few shows about fashion and stuff. So there was a show going on. How can you rock animal print when you are in your 40s?
Okay.
So वो tactics बता रहे थे. And I was gym छोड़ के लोगों देख रहे. Everyone was like wearing and flaunting it and discussing everything.
Okay.
But yes, so apparently it's a thing in.
I mean, that's the thing. If you have to teach how to style something, that's probably something you're doing wrong. It should be just.
That's a fair point, really.
Yeah.
Good point, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Skinny jeans.
No.
I'll go further on this. Skinny jeans on men.
No.
That
would be-
Man.
No, but there was a time where it was.
men?
Yeah, for men also. They used to wear.
Okay. No, but then I think I have seen. But was it a trend, or were people like were men blind? Few men blind to buy and follow that? I don't know.
To be honest, awareness also, I don't think so.
Because what I'm trying to think, किसी celebrity ने पहना है क्या? Movies में नहीं, वो छपरी बनने के लिए नहीं. Like on a event and something.
Yeah. I think so.
I can't remember. Like proper skinny ऐसा हमारी skinny होती थी, like proper fit.
Yeah, yeah. Have you not seen
I
those
can't
guys?
recall a celebrity guy wearing full skinny jeans ever.
Maybe you should find out some photos.
Either
and
that
print
or
it
my
here.
brain is very well trained to wipe
Ignore
out
that.
stupid things.
Because I've seen some Korean bands wearing those skinny jeans back
अरे
in
उन पे तो
2000.
सब अच्छा लगता
नहीं
है
लगता था वही.
Koreans are gifted, man.
पर वो skinny jeans they can't also pull it off, I think.
Yeah, but then will you buy now? If the trend comes back, would you
No,
buy?
but that's the problem. What am I going to wear with that? Like my blouse has to be.
But then एक बार
Style it proper.
jeans वो skinny jeans trend में आ गई, क्योंकि there was a time when the skinny jeans was in,
Trend.
and then the tops used to be also like that, na?
थोड़े flary and then a bit.
Exactly.
Um,
Will you?
I think yeah, but
It's
I
a
don't
day for
think
me.
so it's
If
a
it comes-
comfortable.
if it
Yeah,
comes
yeah.
also no for me, भाई. मैं old fashion बनने के तैयार हूँ, but no, skinny jeans no.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Maybe yeah, no.
Do you remember we used to the fuck bands?
Yeah.
Whatever that is, it a yay or nay for you?
Yeah. Nah.
But did you used to wear that?
No,
thing?
no, I didn't. I mean, see, the myth was that
What was the myth? There was
you don't know the fuck bangles theory. Okay, so basically, I don't know if that was true or not, but that was a very popular theory that you wear fuck bangles. So if you're wearing 6, and when you basically lose your virginity, or if you have sex with someone, you break a bangle. You break
Acha.
that band. So from 6 you go to 5, and then 4, and then 3.
फिर 6 होगा फिर?
So it's like that.
Is it like how many you bought? Like I hate the word, but the
Yeah.
body count.
Yeah, the body
तो
count.
6 के बाद
6 के बाद वापस पहनो, वापस काटो. That's why it was called fuck bands, because once you fuck, you just rip off one band.
Oh God, I don't know. I thought it's just black bangles people are wearing.
Yeah, that was like a silicone, very rubbery sort of thing, right? But no, the theory was like that. I don't know. It was very popular in my college apparently.
It was. Oh God, it was.
That's why it's called.
मैंने पहना भी है, पर मैंने कहा बेटा तो लोग क्या बोल. Oh God, that's a whole. No, I'm not getting into that.
So if you so suddenly you are wearing 6 bangle and next day you come with 0, people will assume.
तो एक के दिन में 6 बार.
6 बार, yes.
अच्छा, oh, another doubt.
हाँ.
Should we get into that? Is the pod
No, let's.
off camera?
But
So many doubts.
but nah, because it's
Oh, definitely.
yeah, it's एक तो उसका material भी it's not adding to your style. It's just
And with the myth,
and
it's
then
not
with the theory,
adding with the
never.
personality. If it is adding also, I don't want to tell.
Yeah.
I don't kiss and tell.
Yes.
Okay.
So nah.
Global hair color. When I say global hair color, especially I have a thing for, brown skin people, girls and guys also. They used to come like blonde होके आ जाते थे.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Yeah, that looks-
Oh God. So anyway, global hair color versus highlights. I'll always go with balayage or highlights.
हाँ, highlights are still fine.
They look good.
Global hair color is. I mean, you should. There are very few people that can carry off well. But
very hard to pull
most of the people, I don't think so. They can carry
Very
off.
hard to pull off. I mean, of course, of course, you are coloring your hair. या फिर बहुत dark brown कर रहे हो तो it won't count. But
If
I'm
you match
talking
your
about-
color.
I'm talking about like एकदम ये तो blonde हो जाते हैं या तो फिर full red, full pink.
No, yeah,
No.
yeah. No.
All right. This one, I don't know. It's already a yes. Black dress, little black dress with sneakers.
Yeah.
Love it.
Love it. Then
Anything
love it
with
now.
sneakers, love it, man.
Yeah, everything goes well with sneakers somehow.
Definitely.
Also, on that note, it's a very drastic difference because here, when we suppose wear a dress, we wear sneakers all the time, right? Because obviously we walk a lot or whatever reason we feel comfortable. So it's taken very normally here.
Yeah.
But back in India, if you suppose wear a lehenga and you wear a sneaker, that's a fashion statement, which is very.
Still people like notice it. Here, we
yeah.
don't notice it. It is like
It is very normal here, but there is like, oh, this is a fashion statement. Have you noticed that, like how
I
the
know.
perception
I
changes?
know.
The view changes. Here, no one will notice. We have done that. Like I have done that. I've gone in a lehenga for a garba party with sneakers on. No one, everyone was wearing that, so it's normal.
Looks cool plus comfortable. What else
Yeah.
do you need?
But that's what looks cool only in India. Here it's normal. I mean, in India, if you wear that, you'll be tagged as, oh, you look so cool, you look so, you're so.
Get it.
Yeah,
Get it.
so
Yeah, I
get it what I'd say. Here it's not like
Agreed.
no one will compliment you for wearing
Yeah.
sneakers over
No.
LBD.
No,
like.
no. And love it.
But yeah,
definitely.
it's a very contradictory.
Contouring and highlighting. And when I say contouring and highlighting, not normal contouring and highlighting.
I know what you mean.
We'll come to that part later, that
Yeah.
how the makeup trends here are. But then you know what contouring
Yeah,
highlighting,
yeah.
I mean too much.
To be honest, I have a good jawline.
अब तो सवाल ही खत्म हो गया भाई। अब क्या?
Personally, I've never done contouring because I'm shit at makeup, and I've never thought about it.
Not even those?
No.
No?
I don't have a contouring stick at all in my makeup bag.
No, this
But I think that's what, again, it's if you do too much loud, then it doesn't. So you need to carry off well and do it well properly, because I know I'll look shit because I can't do it. So I won't do it.
fair.
But if you do it well,
I have a story, but there is a segment where we'll discuss especially these things.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the story about it later. Next
for
question.
you, contouring, yeah, no.
No, I do not have a black and white view on this. Sometimes it looks good as well if you do it correctly. And for few people, they'll nail it so good. So I can't say it's a nah for me.
Exactly.
It's just if it is not looking good, it's my incapability of not able to contour.
Yeah.
But it's like the winged eyeliner for me. If you rock
Yeah.
it, you rock it, man.
Yeah,
But you can't rock a skinny jeans.
No. Like how do you do that?
Yeah. I think minimalistic makeup. What are your thoughts on that?
It's not minimalistic at all. I think you need 20 different products to make it minimalistic.
The term is controversial. Yeah.
Yeah. So I am very up for minimalistic makeup, but when actually means it uses only 3 product, not 20 product.
But हाँ ना तो 3 product में होता है ना. You just need your concealer,
blush. Maybe like
not
so,
toothbrush.
maybe like primer, foundation, concealer, and blush. That's it.
तो फाउंडेशन कंसीलर फाउंडेशन प्राइमर की
कंसीलर की
जरूरत
जरूरत
नहीं है.
नहीं है. मेरे को तो कंसीलर भी लगता है कि
नहीं फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाओ तो.
हाँ तो भी प्राइमर तो कुछ मतलब एक
Okay, it's
it's again yeah no, okay.
makeup is like more of a personal preference than a trend. I feel.
No, but you know, there was this trend where you like do minimalistic makeup, brides were going minimalistic makeup and this. That trend was not actually minimalistic because you put 20. Are you talking
I got it.
Yeah,
I got
that,
it. Huh.
I think in that sense it's a nay.
Huh. It's a that reminds me, it is not included here. Shaving your eyebrows completely off. And then drawing it. Have you seen people here who do that?
I have seen that.
Like they remove their eyebrows completely and then they draw it.
Is it because they don't grow black hair, or is it because you?
No, it was a trend at a point, at certain point. I think couple of years back only, it was a trend that people used to shave their eyebrows. Not Indians mostly.
I've seen that people do that, but I thought it's because they are naturally blonde. So
देखो, any trend comes. Somebody starts it with a reason. उनपे अच्छा लग जाता है, or maybe it goes viral, and then everybody starts doing it, and then there are fuck ups, there are कुछ भी.
yeah, I
So,
think no.
for me, मेरा theory यही है कि any trend किसी ने तो कुछ logic से ही किया था, which worked for them. But then it becomes
So I think nah, for us, I think
I can't do.
We are happy with our eyebrows.
No, मेरे में नहीं है, वो हिम्मत ही नहीं है. I can't like remove it completely. No. Okay, moving on. We had to take a small break because we realized our lighting was off. There was too much light coming from outside. किसी दिन धूप आ जाती है यहाँ पे. So yes, so
Right.
this was the problem. Yeah, so anyway, we had to take a break and we are back. We finished our game and now
Yes.
we are moving on to our next segment. Discussing what we are discussing, that how our style changed and how we adapted when we came to the UK by looking at the trends. Or did we adapt or did we not adapt? That's also a
Yeah.
discussion because everyone has a different sense of this thing that they have to adapt or they want to go with the flow, however they were. So what about you? I always do that. I always put
Yeah, you always put me on the spot. What about you? I just go blank for a second and I recollect my thought and then I have to
Yeah.
speak and then I have to. But anyways, so one thing I remember is when I arrived here, I saw these billboards with all the fast fashion apps that we have here. I'm not going to name it. You know which I'm talking about. So I installed it, and to be honest, I'm really against fast fashion, but now I'm against fast fashion. That time I didn't know it was called fast fashion.
for a reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I installed that, I ordered it, and in my head I was like, oh, London की shopping, London के कपड़े तो अच्छे ही होंगे.
But
You know,
ऑनलाइन
but
कर रहे
then-
थे ना, तो
हाँ
लंदन के
ऑनलाइन,
कहाँ थे वो?
बट ऐसे कि अरे मैं आ गई लंदन, अब तो यहाँ सभी अच्छा
UK
है.
के
That was
basically,
my
हाँ.
naivety, like
हम्म.
क्योंकि लंदन आते लोग शॉपिंग करने, तो ऑब्वियसली ऑनलाइन भी अच्छे ही मिलेंगे ना. सो you know that
I know where the story is going, yeah.
And I ordered, and I felt like it was, you know, in Pune we have this Tulsi Bagh or the street shopping, Lakshmi Road, Tulsi Bagh. I thought it's just the glorified version of that.
हाँ, very perfectly put, yeah.
And even with worse quality and price points, like when I would get a better quality and good thing back home in India, like for street shopping, fast fashion, then here. And then I was like, oh, I think I've wasted my money, and then I stopped, obviously, fast fashion stuff.
But then they used to look good on the phone photo में ना.
वही तो.
कभी-कभी आके भी the fitting was off.
Fitting was off, material is off.
एक बार पहन भी लिया, you can't wear it again. You can wash it and wear it again. It's like एक बार पहन के you have to throw it.
But apparently here, that's where the trends are coming, right? That's why I'm very against with these trends, because the trends come in, you buy them, the life span of those clothes or those things are only 2-3 months, and you do what? You either throw it away, or even giving to charity is like they are not at good material or good quality clothes.
हाँ, fast fashion का तो ये problem है.
हाँ, then I realized, and anyways I used to, back in India also, I used to get something that I can use at least for a long duration of time. एक तो इंडिया में I had no particular style. Whatever was available I used to wear.
हाँ.
I never paid attention to styling it. क्योंकि मुझ पे सभी अच्छा लगता था.
वापस से mind delusion करना है क्या नाम?
No, it is self-confidence. Yeah, because I thought ठीक है,
No,
मतलब
that's
इतना,
true, हाँ.
yeah. यहाँ के, yeah, there was. What about you?
I think I'm very much into कि आया है तो I'll try, not fashion wise, but then styling things. If I'm walking on the street, I'll notice what everyone is wearing. I'll notice how they are styling their thing. One thing I learned here is layering. वो मुझे नहीं आती थी इंडिया में यार, और इधर
जरूरत भी नहीं थी.
इंडिया में ठंड मतलब पहन लो कपड़े, बस कपड़े पहन लो and you look like an Eskimo. So stupid. Over the years here, what I have learned that how do you layer? मतलब you don't have to look इतना ऐसा
Yeah.
ठंड में.
Yeah.
You can layer it properly and you can look good, damn good actually. We have seen on the streets
Yeah,
how beautifully people layer. So this is the thing I adapted and learned here, that layering is a game changer. It doesn't have to be all the puffer jackets and
Yes.
thing. But have you noticed when I say puffer jacket, तो puffer jackets are like ugly mostly लगती हैं, है ना? But have you seen? I don't know. It is just my observation, or it's a thing. Indian guys especially, you can, मतलब ऐसा you can look at an Indian guy. And they are working in IT or corporate, you can clearly identify if they are wearing a puffer and you can also figure out they have arrived like naya. They have not lived in the UK for a
Yes,
long time.
yeah.
How? They will wear a puffer jacket and they'll have a backpack.
Yes. That's
Not
very
that I'm
typical.
like judging on them, but it's the observation I have seen. That
That's
it's
the
always-
most. I see, that is lack of styling again. That's
हाँ.
just the most comfortable,
वही
obvious
ना,
thing
जब
you
हम
can
इंडिया
wear.
से आते हैं तो वो एक
Exactly.
पफर जैकेट ले लो, है ना?
हाँ, एक
That's
necessity
the
है,
thing.
ले लो.
Yeah, and then you pair it up with
Backpack ले लो,
everything,
exactly,
and
and
then
then
backpack because you don't know what you need. So you carry whatever you
Everything
want
with-
in the
yeah,
backpack. But eventually when you start living for a long time, you get कि यार layering कर
Yes,
सकते हैं.
हाँ.
Backpack लेके जाने की
जाने की
जरूरत नहीं है
जरूरत
हर जगह.
yeah, that's so
So-
true. You mentioned that because
Totally. Another
that was-
thing what I have learned in a good way here is be more comfortable with my body wearing whatever I want to. I don't have to care कि यार ये ज़्यादा दिख रहा है कि वो दिख रहा है. India में I used to be very aware about it या फिर I have to be in a perfect shape to wear something. Now I'm more comfortable, especially beach wear, bikinis, and it is so nobody judges you for your body
Yeah,
and
yeah.
for like तुम बिंदास घूम सकते हो. There is no one looking at you. वो male gaze तक तो I'm not even going. When what I mean to say, no, but judgmental eyes नहीं है.
नहीं है.
Everyone makes you so comfortable, and you see people of any shape like owning it.
yeah.
So that's a
That's-
beautiful thing I've learned here.
That's interesting you mentioned because my theory is if something is not looking good on anyone, probably they're wearing the wrong size. Yeah, so my theory, if you're not looking good, if you're not feeling good, probably you're wearing the wrong size. Either it would be too loose or too tight. Then
Fair.
that's the deal breaker for me. Because the basic of styling is wear your right size first.
Anything you can
I
rock
think,
the
yeah,
fit is
like
correct.
for a basic white shirt and blue jeans or black, exactly.
Although I'm not looking good today, I
No,
know.
you are, you
Yeah.
are. That's what, like, for a very basic, even like a blue pant, blue jeans, and black t-shirt.
yeah,
if you're wearing a right size, you have nailed it. Like-
Yes, and anything makeup related have you observed here? Makeup as in makeup styling, hair makeup, which is like you feel कि ये तो बिल्कुल अलग है या फिर ये तो या तो मुझे ये नहीं करना है. There can be few things as well, right?
You know, when I arrived here the earlier, I didn't know there was the
Yeah.
tanning sunscreen because people do that.
In tan places, वो tanning bed
हाँ, and then I think because of that obsession, they start contouring a lot.
Man, too
It's
much.
a loud contouring, and I can see like it's on your face the contouring. So I think
Totally, yeah.
that I don't
Oh,
find very impressive.
yeah.
Or
अरे because of that I'm scared of contouring, you know, कि वैसा तो नहीं दिख जाएगा. Because once I remember I did proper अच्छे से मैं contour करके I went somewhere and the bartender, the girl bartender, it was in Manchester, not in London. That also reminds me, I'll come to that point later, but anyway, coming back to this story, so the bartender said, I love your contour, how you did. Instantly मेरे दिमाग में क्या आया, अरे बाप रे मैंने यहाँ की लड़कियों के जैसा तो
oh,
because if she is loving तो मतलब यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. But then I don't know what it was, but
Okay.
the thing is the trauma I'm talking about कि ऐसा नहीं है गंदा लगता है, but शायद उनकी skin पे it looks okay or not.
Yeah.
हम पे तो वो बहुत अजीब
Yeah.
लगता है. So that's the thing. But anyway, the difference I was going to
yeah, I
tell.
was gonna ask that.
Yeah, from the person how they have styled themselves, the makeup and everything, I can kind of identify if they're coming from north of England, if they're coming from London, or what. It's not that someone is better or someone is not. It's just
Yeah.
the sense of style is so specific and different.
Yeah.
Accents के जैसे.
Yeah, I agree. I totally agree what you're saying, and I can see what you're talking. Yeah, they.
उसका theory भी मुझे लगता है because London, it's living in a city, it's too busy, you have to commute and blah blah blah. So you're doing makeup, but you're like doing a minimalistic makeup and styling. For them, it's like हर दिन जैसे party में जा रहे हैं सब. जैसे if you can tell a person from Delhi and from Bombay, from their sense of style and everything,
Yeah.
similar to that.
Yeah.
It is here.
It is. And I'm so surprised so in commute, like in undergrounds and in your trains, girls are applying makeup
वो मस्त कर लेती हैं यार.
so flawlessly, and I can just watch them the whole day. The train is going this, they are standing up, but they still can apply eyeliner so well.
मैं यहाँ बैठ के नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
Exactly, and I'm so envious of them, and I observe them, and they do it so flawlessly. Wow, I just love that.
They do it so
Hope
well.
I learn that someday But that's so commendable. I just love that. And,
Yeah.
and they take pride in grooming. That's what I love about
even
it. Even the guys.
See, girls तो यार हमेशा थोड़ा put together रहती हैं. The
हैं,
guys
guys,
especially.
yeah.
They cut their hair every 2 weeks, guys.
They do eyebrows as well, like eyebrows threading and all. I've seen them. I
ऐसे
was
देख के तो लगता है they're
because that happened to me. I went, so I do my eyebrow threading. So I went to Boots. The Boots, they apparently some Boots have that service as well. So I went there and I was in the queue and two guys were getting their eyebrows done.
oh
On a midday in lunchtime, they were getting that, they were checking their nose, and they were very well aware of. I was quite impressed with that. That I found
totally, yeah,
It is very attractive when a guy is put together and they are well groomed.
totally.
They take care of themselves in that sense.
Especially the hair यार मतलब it looks always proper. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम देखा है हमने लड़कों को हम
कैसे भी आ रहे हैं,
कैसे
दाढ़ी
भी आ
बड़ी
रहे
है।
हैं. प्लस बाल कटाना इज लाइक जब मन करेगा तो कटा लेंगे. नॉट दैट थोड़े से बड़े हैं तो दे हैव टू बी लाइक प्रॉपर.
At least set them. Like you don't have to chop it off. This is a good that I've learned from girls here that you have to. It can be very minimalistic, but you
Yeah,
have
you don't have to spend a lot of money. It's just you have to be aware where you have to put some work.
Yeah, and where to
Fair.
actually invest. Maybe invest in a good skincare product. Invest in good clothes, good
Totally,
shoes.
yeah.
But then just
Yeah.
put some efforts.
Plus grooming is very
Grooming
important.
is
पता है तुम
important.
कितने भी महंगे कपड़े पहन लो, कुछ भी पहन लो, if you're not groomed properly, like my hair is looking like shit today. I don't know how
No,
many.
it is not.
Count how many
many-
times Shivali has caused her hair today. But you know, you look good, you feel good. Plus,
It's fine. I'll hold it.
yeah, okay. So anyway, so yeah, that is also another thing. So, vintage clothing, thrifting, love it. I love it.
yeah.
And the kind of clothes, it's not cheap. It's not. When I go to thrift shop, I won't say it's cheap, but then first of all, it is against the fast fashion, so it is reuse. It's good for environment and everything. And sometimes you get such nice stuff in vintage shops and thrift shops, so much better than what you find in like regular shops, like, and people style it very well as well.
I have slightly different opinion about this. So I love the concept of thrifting, especially here only. So back in India, I've heard about thrifting and all, but it was popular in US. I mean, it was coming from US culture because I was watching US shows, etc. But coming here, and people take pride in thrifting, and which is good. I mean, vintage. Personally, for me, I feel, and I'm not against reusing clothes at all, क्योंकि मैंने मेरे बहन के सारे कपड़े पहने, like all second. But for me, if I don't know anyone and I can't wear their clothes, it's just an aura thing. Sometime I feel. I mean, I have not overcome that, but I love this concept and I think it is must. For me, it's maybe my mental block. So I have never thrifted. Obviously, I've gone to shops, I've seen that. But just for me, it's like, no, I can't wear someone else's
So you're
aura.
not against the concept,
No,
it's
no,
just
not at
you.
It's
Yeah,
just me,
है ना?
my
हाँ.
opinion that I have not done that, but I love the concept. Maybe someday I'll overcome that.
हाँ, वो
It's
रहता है.
just-
यार, it's also यार where the place we are coming from.
Yeah, I
this
think-
thing, yeah.
But it was always like, even for me, it is not religious or spiritual, but it's just that I can't wear someone else's aura, positive or negative. So I'll probably just wear my clothes and I'll repeat it over the time, but somehow I just feel like. But I think it's a very good, and here it's not a taboo that वहाँ इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं होता. It's like, वो second hand कपड़े क्यों पहन रहे हो या whatever.
अभी हो रहा है thrifting, but
थोड़ा है,
then
but
very in a very like
it's not
only a very small section of society is accepting it.
exactly.
Yeah.
But here it's very common and I love it. I love it.
Totally. Yeah. It needs to be encouraged.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right. Do you have any other thing? One more thing. Not wearing bras and completely comfortable with it. Being completely comfortable with
Publicly.
it. And, yeah.
घर में
घर. Not wearing bras. And being completely comfortable. And see, Gen Z girls and younger girls are, for Indian girls as well, they are fine doing it. Our upbringing and everything was like that. Hare, aise kaise?
And notice also, because people creeping on you is also not healthy. Like you wouldn't
एक तो यार,
want you that,
everything
ना.
comes
तो
that
वही
how
है ना.
people are making you
Exactly.
comfortable.
If we were born and brought up here, I don't think so we would have that.
Plus London is famous for that कि तुम कुछ भी पहन
कुछ
के
भी
चले जाओ,
पहन-
no one
exact,
is
no
going
one
to
is
put an
gonna-
eye on you, judging you.
Judging, which is the best thing. You can be shitting in your pants, no one will bother to.
अभी वो नहीं पता.
Shitting in your pants, like not literally shitting in your pants.
But yes, I get
But
what you're saying.
yeah,
but
yeah,
then
it's like-
I couldn't resist.
Yeah. Good that you brought this bra point, because the other thing is I don't feel here I have to be completely waxed and not a single tiny hair is
I don't care about
shouldn't be
anymore.
visible. Now I don't think so, because I've earlier, obviously when I arrived here I used to think that, but then when I observe girls are they're not very fussy, no one is watching them and they don't have that pressure. I was relaxed, and then even now I think I have a lot of hair on my arm, but I don't care, and neither do people here care.
It's not only just being comfortable on it is being comfortable on your skin, but it's basically guys don't have to do it, but girls do.
Yeah.
But plus again our upbringing and everything. आज भी if I'm totally with people not waxing and stuff, but then personally I will be aware यार shave नहीं किया है पैर,
किसी ने
wax
देख
नहीं
लिया
किया
तो
है तो I'll keep on hiding it and stuff, but then nobody cares.
Yeah,
And
nobody.
then it's
Yeah.
a good thing as well, because why only girls have to do all
Yeah,
this?
yeah, exactly.
But it's so good. That's a good point as well. क्योंकि I don't know, मैं अब हम रहते नहीं है वहाँ, तो I don't know how the culture is there in India now. But I think अभी भी इतना accepted तो नहीं होगा.
Nahin. I think the more is, see, again, it's a part of grooming put together, etc. But you don't have to constantly worry about that कि अरे मैं कैसे sleeveless पहन लूँ, मैंने 3 हफ्ते पहले wax किया था, probably there are 2 hair popping out. It's fine,
I
they're just
know,
2
man.
hair. No one's gonna go in your underarm and check. That's
And check
fine.
also, that's your choice na.
We don't bash us anymore
yeah.
for that 1 or 2 hair popping here and there. अब इतना बड़ा चंक होगा, obviously we won't feel hygienic ना.
Previously I used
Exactly.
to wear फिर दूसरा ऐसा sleeve वाला top पहन के जाना है,
exactly.
just because I've
yes,
not done
yes.
it.
And then again, you don't look stylish because then you're wearing something you don't want to wear. Like, अरे आज मेरा sleeveless का मन है,
I
but
know, man.
so
yes.
yeah.
Totally. Okay.
Right. I think I think we have improved our style in general. But
At least we feel so.
I definitely feel so.
If you disagree, improved or adapted?
Adapted and more comfortable and more.
That is and then most important is you have to feel comfortable of whatever. It doesn't matter you are trendy or not.
And I do give
trendy is being comfortable.
and I do give London the credit of making me more comfortable in my skin and general.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. That's a yeah.
That's a yeah. That's a big yeah.
Cool. So I
So,
think
thanks for watching, and
Like, share,
please
and
do
subscribe.
like, share, subscribe.
we need it, guys.
Show some love, guys, and do post comments if you feel any style changes you have adopted.
Yes,
And-
because I think for the sake of keeping it short, we might have missed a lot of stuff.
Yes.
This discussion can go like for
Forever.
the entire day as well.
Yeah.
So yes,
Thank
you
you.
for watching.
See you next time. Bye.